Hey fantastics, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ guys. So in today's video, as you guys have probably guessed from the thumbnail, we are finally going to test some OG no glue no borax slime recipes that you guys have been requesting me in the last video's comment section. So yeah, now without talking too much, let's try some OG no glue no borax slime recipes and let's see if they still work or not. If you guys want more parts of these videos, then let me know in the comment section and comment this emoji for more parts of no glue and no borax slime series. So now without talking too much, let's get started with the video. And now let's take our bowl. So here's our bowl. Now the first recipe that we are going to try today is face wash recipe. So it has been a very popular recipe in the past and people have been using this particular face wash for making slime. So I'm taking about this much of face wash. So the recipe is pretty simple. We have to add a pinch of salt, so at first it was foaming a little bit and now it's literally just liquid. I think I've added a bit too much of water in this. I don't know guys, what do you guys think? It's completely liquid now. Oh my god. I think I should have added a little bit of salt because this recipe has worked for me in the past, but now it's literally just liquid. Maybe they've changed something in the face wash formula or something. But yeah, this recipe sadly does not work. Now let's test our next no glue no borax recipe. So the next recipe is Clinic Plus shampoo recipe. So yeah, this has been a pretty popular recipe as well. So let's try Clinic Plus shampoo with sugar recipe and let's see if this actually works or not. So let's take a bowl. So here's our bowl. Now let's add these shampoos into our bowl. So in total, I've added about 3 packets or 3 sachets of this Clinic Plus shampoo. So yeah, this one. Now let's add our one ingredient, that is sugar, to activate this. Now I've learned. Now I'm not going to take too much of sugar. I'll just add a little bit of sugar at a time. Just a pinch. As you guys can see, there is a little bit of sugar in it. Can you guys see that? It literally formed, you guys. Oh my god. It is literally pulling from the sides. Wow. Okay. Now literally this happened right in front of your eyes and this is literally not even sticking to my hand, as you guys can see. Oh my god. Now that it has been formed, can you guys see that? It is literally super jiggly. So now we should keep it in refrigerator. You guys can keep it covered or just like that. And I'll show you guys how it turned out in just a second. So after 2 hours, this is how our slime is looking. Our shampoo slime. This is definitely sticky, but this is a slime, guys. You cannot deny that this is not a slime. This is definitely slimy and you can play with it. It's just super cold, so it is really fun when it's hot outside and you play with this. And yeah, it's really fun, but it does really melt and it is a bit sticky, but that's it. It is definitely a thumbs up. If you like this video and you want me to make more no glue no borax recipes, then make sure to hit the like button. It lets me know that you guys liked these videos and I should make more of them. So I'll see you guys really soon. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys really soon. Until then, bye bye.